to the unbiased review of Tix Healthcare website. Let's check, is it a legit or a scam? We are here to make your purchase easy and simple. You can see this homepage of the website. If you are looking for a comfort and eye-catchy product, this website carries a beautiful fluorescent and pleasant eye-catchy products like footwears. You can check it out on it and also experience your purchase with it. Now moving to the portraits. When the whole world is moving towards the trending attires, this website gives you the looks and beautiful trending attires and the ideas of beautiful outlook. You can experience a formal outlook, classy, and a beautiful funky looks. Now moving to the customer service. This website gives you the other navigations like return and exchange, shipping, sizing, contact us. In return and exchange or refund your return, you can check it out at any time when you want it to. You can also click here to find your order which you had placed before. Now moving to the shipping, this website gives you 2 to 4 days to access your purchase at your doorstep. You can also experience your purchase by having your size according to it. This is the contact us page where you can see the email address, contact number, and you can access it from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. #SEW together. This is something new which I had found in this website. Due to COVID-19, they had added some points related to it, like make your mask, donate your mask, and receive your gift card. They had offered you the gift vouchers by donating your mask or make your mask to help the frontline heroes. This foundation is also into the charity work for the below poverty line. It seems this website is into the social work too. You can check the contribution they had given to it, women entrepreneurs, and the country including the US. Before concluding, I would like to add some points like this website is a legit. You can experience your purchase and give us the feedback your purchase. So if you like this video, kindly share and give a thumbs up like for us. If you like it, please do share and comment below. For more updates related to the reviews of unbiased videos, you can also hit a subscribe button or a bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.